Now I'll talk about a winter storm warning and blizzard. I don't know, but look, we can track animals. Those are animal prints. Looks like a deer. Of course, it's probably just the neighbors letting their dogs crap in the yard. But we actually even had, look at there, we even had a scraper come scrape our street. It helps to have connections and be political and important in Alpharetta. But this is one of the worst snowstorms since I've lived at this address, because the year before I moved here and I was in an apartment, and during my separation divorce, we had the 92 blizzard, the most snowfall we'd had in over 100 years. It was over a foot of snow. It was incredible. It was so cool having the Jeep and it was snow, because I drove everywhere with no problem. I mean, I spent all day pulling people out of the ditches back in the day when I could manipulate a chain and carry around. The chain alone was about 50 pounds, 40, 50 pounds. It was very heavy duty. But, I don't know. It's just amazing. I know this is definitely global warming. That's why it's snowing. Man, I'll tell you something. I don't know if you can see the actual stuff coming down. Let's see. Look at it. Look at there. Whoa, is that a picture? Oh, no, no. Oh, no, 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 no. Wow, it's just amazing. Okay, well, all you people, I think you've seen enough of Atlanta. I know y'all don't see any big deal with this because y'all get it all the time, but we don't. And we don't have the equipment or the installation or the means or the mental capability to deal with this. So, wow, yeah, it's just really pretty. Okay, so there it is. There's our snowstorm.